Hi, my name is MK1 Jeffrey Redman. I'm with Engineering Systems School of Fast Response Cutter staff at Training Center Yorktown. This video will cover the removal and replacement of the MTU-20V 4000 M93L coolant thermostat. The MPC that coincides with this task is Alpha 51114.D. This task is normally performed as part of a 6,000-hour QO3 maintenance or as a corrective maintenance upon failure. This video is for familiarization with the task and shall not take place of official procedures promulgated by a patrol boat product line. Before we start, let's cover the tools you'll need. Flexible funnel to remove any remaining coolant in the system, 3/8 drive socket wrench, 1/2 inch drive torque wrench, 3/8 drive 6-inch extension, 3/8 drive 16mm swivel head, 13mm 1/2 inch drive socket, a 1/2 inch to 3/8 drive reducer, 16mm stubby, 13mm combination wrench ratcheting, screwdriver, scribe. It is required to remove the engine's coolant per MPC Alpha 51111.D. We've already done this, so let's get started.
Remove the wiring harness from the thermostats and support brackets and then set it out of the way. Remove the coolant housing to engine pipework. Place a forma funnel underneath the pipework section to be able to catch remaining coolant in the pipework and drain it into a bucket. Remove any necessary wiring harness and bracketing to gain access. Remove the thermostat attaching bolts and place in the threaded jacking bolt hole on the flange. Using the jacking bolts, remove the thermostats from the coolant housing. Lubricate the new thermostat O-rings with HowTo and install the new thermostats. Tighten the attaching bolts to specified torque. It is important to refer to the current maintenance procedure card or technical publication for tightening specifications and tolerances. These change from time to time by the manufacturer or other authority. Remove all old O-rings, lubricate new O-rings with HowTo and install on the previously removed coolant pipework. Install the previously removed coolant pipework and tighten bolts to specified torque. Install all previously removed support brackets and wiring harness assemblies. Connect the new thermostats to the wiring harness. Once complete, fill the engine with coolant per MPC 51111D and test for leaks. Once all installation is complete, conduct a performance test to make sure repairs were successful.